So guys, we're moving towards the front of the bike, and I start with this little shield here. 3 screws, as you can see. They look like that. Then this one is different. So just to show you guys the length of it. This is the front part towards the steering. And then we got these two guys that are on the shield itself. So it's pretty tight. Snaps here as well. Looks like it. So pull it up and it will come off. And the reason I didn't buy Kawasaki or Suzuki is exactly because of this. I hate these snap-ons and this kind of stuff to attach fairing parts. Is just a hassle. You just want to quickly shift from race fairings to original fairings, and this stuff is a pain in the butt. So I'm a bit disappointed with BMW for this. Next up, remove the side parts. You have a screw there. You get one there and one there. Remove this, I'll get back to you. So guys, my bad. You only need to remove this one and this one, because that one is not attached. And then I have no clue. It looks like it's, yes, it's hooked in there. And it slides. This would be much easier with 2 hands. And then this part snapped in. I have no clue. I'll have to figure this out, get back to you. Before that, these are the screws. They are identical, and that's the length of them. So guys, you need to grab this, twist it upwards, and then the whole thing will come out. I'll show you how it's attached. You have a hook there, and then you have this slide, which will fit into that slide, and then you have this hook that will fit into that hook. This lip will go underneath the tank here, so it's going to be a pain in the butt to probably get it back, but you have to put it like this, see where the lip is there, and then slide it backwards. That's a problem for another day. Left side off. So I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. There's a different attachment of the tank. It looks different from the old one. And this is the bolt to remove the tank, probably. So if you're gonna do that, remove that one. Same on the other side, this bolt. And then you have the fuel pump underneath, probably. So exactly the same on the other side. Slide it forward. Make sure you get it out. Okay, violence is your friend, obviously. So there you go. So guys, we're moving to the right side of the bike, and before I take the side fairings off, I usually on the old one would remove all these inner screws inside here. There are plenty of them. And one here, 2, 3, sorry for this, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on the other side as well. So this one, the inner one up here are the same. The middle one is taller shoulder or taller neck. So there's one left here at the very top. And that one looks like the middle one. So I'll get you the length of that as well. So we have 2 screws that are same, and these 2 the same. So we removed 4 screws. So basically you start with a shorter one at the very end there. So it's every other. The next one will have a taller neck. Next one after that, shorter neck, and then the final one at the top, just inside here where my finger is, we'll have the taller neck. So that's pretty easy to remember. Start with a short one, and then every other screw, I think. So guys, moving up to this little shield, just so you know where we are. This little shield on the inside, you have 2 screws on left side, 2 screws on the right side, and hopefully they are the same length. And of course they are not. Yes, they are. They're exactly the same. So approximate length of the screws, so you know. So it doesn't matter which one you put where. So repeat the same procedure there. Remove those 2. That should be a tall neck. That one there should be a short neck, tall neck, and a short neck at the end. So I'll remove them, get back to you. So guys, we're gonna remove this back part. This is where this bike is not as good as the old one, because before I could remove the whole side fairing at once. Now there's a hidden screw behind here, so I need to remove the black part. So start by removing underneath here the screw, and it looks like that. No neck on it, and lengthwise is what we get there. And then remove this screw on the side. This guy's got a neck on it. Lengthwise, see? And then, remove this guy. You wonder where we are to close up. So we're removing this. It's got a neck to it, and it looks like exactly the same as the other one. Same length. So far, this guy and this guy are the same. Screw underneath here doesn't have a neck on it. And then we remove this screw here. Hopefully it's exactly the same, which it is. Lengthwise, that's the same as these 3 guys that we removed earlier, as you can see, so you can put it together. Then you have screws with rubber inside. This guy is taller, it's got a taller neck. So it's about 2 centimeters, and it's removed from here. And then you got this guy here. which is exactly the same as the other one. As you can see, so we don't need to measure these. So if you have rubber on the inside, you have a taller neck. So something is not correct. Let's see what's the problem. Oh, okay, it's snapped in. So hopefully I can unsnap it for you guys somehow. Because there's not a screw. There it comes. So that's the ledge that was shoved in. Sorry, where are you? There. So you have to just yank it out. So side fairing, right side is off. So guys, the bottom part of the right side is off. There's a screw there. You have to remove that. And this is what it looks like. And it's about 2 centimeters. My understanding is that there are no more screws here. So let's see. This is one of those things you have to figure out how to do this. I'll get back to you as soon as I figured it out. So guys, you have this male plastic part that is compressed into this rubber hosing, and you just need to grab and snap this guy out. There is a similar part here. Sorry for the bad lighting. And this part should come out. I think you need to remove, yes, get that part out of the way, and then just yank it out. So let's see what we get here. We have this pointy part that will fit in there, and then we have this pointy guy that will fit in there, and then the whole thing is attached with a screw. Sorry, there are 2 of those pointy stuff. So you get one there, and then you have to move this, for my case, red fairing piece in the front to the side before you can remove it. So I'll just move it to the side and then yank the whole thing out. And that's the right hand side. It was almost the right hand side. You have this part that breaks all the time, obviously. One tiny screw, looks like normal screws that are used everywhere. It's about 1.5 centimeters. And then you have another screw here. Let's see what that looks like. This part will come off. And that screw is exactly the same as the other one. So you can put them together. So guys, exactly the same procedure on the other side. Cut the fairing off, and the only difference is you don't have this shark fin stuff here on the left hand side. It's probably a good time to clean out the frame and other stuff here. So those are the side fairings.